Okay, you announce whatever it is. Okay, you have to tell them what it is.
It's an award from YouTube for crossing 100,000 subscribers. So, and there's also a letter that came with it, probably.
Okay.
I can just read it out and a few things I wanted to say, with your permission.
You can sit.
So this is from the CEO of YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th or your 1000th? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. That's what this is, Guru Maharaj.
That's it.
Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber?
I get 1 million subscribers. You never know, it can go on increasing.
Yes.
Or YouTube might be dead.
That's a possibility.
You never know, because you never know what the next technology. Remember when we had these did anyone remember Walkmans when they first came in? It was like, wow, what's such a big jump that you can walk around with your cassette. You can listen wherever you go. Rings on her fingers and bells on her toes. She will have music wherever she goes, and then everyone can have it. Music wherever you go, anytime. And Walkman now, the kids, they never heard of it, or you can't, even if you try to describe it, it would be difficult. You got this thing this big, and you put it in. And it goes round and round, and you have to be careful so it doesn't get tangled, and you have to clean the head every so often. If you copy it, you lose some quality, and so you never know. YouTube might be finished sometime. Anyway, go on reading.
So that was from the CEO of YouTube, the letter that came with the award.
Neil Mohan, Indian. He's written Neil in the English way. He's an Ayah? Is that what you said? Neal. That's the British, American, Anglo way of spelling it. But it's probably something, Neelakanta, something like that. Neelamba.
Guru Maharaj, you may be delighted to know that our channel now ranks within the top 0.38% of YouTube channels, as only approximately 453,700 out of 120 million channels on YouTube have more than 100,000 subscribers. Guru Maharaj, your steadfast dedication to Srila Prabhupada, along with your deep scholarship, erudition, or rhetorical skills, were the driving forces behind our venture into high-quality media production. We were confident that by capturing and presenting your lectures in a refined manner, we would draw an audience keen to consistently connect with your teachings. This has been validated by the remarkable viewership of your videos, which now surpass 24 million on YouTube alone. The additional viewership on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and our mobile applications further underscores the extensive reach and impact of your talks. I am profoundly grateful for the opportunity you've provided me and my team to contribute to such a remarkable endeavor. As you sometimes mention in your lectures, achieving something extraordinary often requires us to perform the ordinary diligently. Under your esteemed leadership, we are focused on presenting the message of our parampara straightforwardly and without any unnecessary embellishments, striving only to maintain high production standards. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the devotees who have supported us with their guidance, intelligence, wherewithal, Those who provided emotional support during tough times or simply offered a kind smile have also played a crucial role in our journey. Lastly, if we have inadvertently upset or offended anyone along the way, we deeply apologize. It was never our intention to disrespect or hurt anyone. Our goal has always been solely to elevate the quality of our services. Thank you, Guru Maharaj, once again for your leadership and support. We earnestly hope for your continued mercy and blessings, enabling us to further improve and enhance our services.
Yeah, I speak and he does everything else. He had the vision, actually. Not my vision, I'm just talking. He had the vision, he built a team, works so hard, not just day after day, but month after month, year after year. Hare Krishna. Yeah, if you've got something good to say, we should share it, right? Hare Krishna.